Hold Ctrl and draw a polygon of 6 sides. Use Shape tool and delete this node. Keep the lock ratio active and change the width to 150 millimeters. Make a copy of polygon, hold the corner, and place it on center. Select both the polygons and click on Intersect. Now, you delete both the polygon. Select this object, click on Contour tool, contour inside, for steps, 5 millimeters offset. Break this contour group, Ctrl-K to break. Select all, group. Place the pivot point at the lower corner of outer object, hold Ctrl and rotate to 60 degree. Press right-click to make a copy, then Ctrl-R to repeat. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. It's not necessary, but sometimes we get confused with these lines. So better you fill it. Weld. Draw a line using Freehand tool. Draw a vertical line as shown here. Select all, group. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Select all color-filled objects. Click on Weld. Smart Fill. Select all, Weld. Smart Fill and Weld. Change color. Select all these color-filled objects, hold Ctrl, and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to make a copy. Select Eyedropper tool and copy-paste color. Same color to same facing objects. Select all, group. Place the pivot point at the center of star, hold Ctrl, and rotate to 120 degree. Press right-click to make a copy. Ctrl R to repeat. Keep only these color-filled objects and delete the remaining. Select all. Remove outline. Ungroup all objects. Give same color to same facing objects using eyedropper tool. Weld these objects. Select all and group.